Over here, we're gonna be making my traditional Nigerian soup, ogbono soup. So we have the ohia seed here. We call it ohia, and we have our beef. We have our roasted fish. I roasted myself, and I have a little bit of dry fish and a little bit of snail. Before somebody will be asking me, is it snake? It's snail. On my last video, they were asking, somebody asked, is that snake? So it's snail. Yeah. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to blend this. Okay. Yeah. We're done with this. It's ready. And here's crayfish, little crumbs. Crayfish, Evan.
Give me, mommy. Give me, mommy.
Wait a minute. If I could give you, Daria will sit from here now. Daria, okay?
At the top of them. Everyone see you in the field. Daddy, utan mamma jag dödar.
So now let's focus on these ingredients again. It looks like something was missing before. So we're gonna cook ogbono soup. Yeah, like I said before. Now this is our ogbono. Oh here. We call it oh here, like I said before. Now this is crayfish. I love a lot of crayfish in my soup. This is beef. This is cow skin. For anybody asking what is cow skin, my husband don't like it. He's already making don't mind him. So this is cow skin. I know you people will also not like it like my husband, but trust my Nigerian people. Hey, Nigerians in the house, hail you. Fish, a little bit of dry fish, and snake. Okay, so let's get started, everybody. Let's cook this food. Watch out for the food. In fact, you check the comment section. You're gonna see the link of the soup later on it. Okay. Hello, Pepe. You're going to add this over here. So this is just to loosen those seed on it. You lose up.
Betul.
Fish are still intact. Look at that. They all stay intact.